Hello everyone, my name is Usman. In this video, I am going to show you step by step on creating a brand new YouTube channel. Don't skip the video and watch the entire process. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. First of all, visit the browser. Then visit YouTube. Click on YouTube and visit the YouTube website. Then you need a Gmail account. Actually, which Gmail you want to create your YouTube channel, you need to add this Gmail into YouTube. To add Gmail into YouTube, click on switch account. Then click on add account. Then follow the step by step process. I already add the Gmail account into YouTube, so I skip this step. To create YouTube channel, click on switch account. Then click on view all channel. Before click on view all channel, you should select the Gmail which Gmail you want to create YouTube channel. I select this Gmail, then I click on view all channels. Then I click on create a channel. Then enter your channel name. My name is Osman. I want to create my channel with my name. You can create with your chosen name. Okay, so I paste my channel name and check this box. Then click on create. Then here you should select your country. My country is Bangladesh, and here I will put my phone number. I choose text message and continue. Then YouTube will send me a verification code and I enter the verification code. Then click on continue button. After enter the verification code, channel will be created. Then again click on profile icon and click on switch account and click on this channel, and now click on customize channel. Now click on settings. General, I want to select US dollar, so I never change it. And channel, country of residence, my country is Bangladesh, so I select the Bangladesh and you will select your country, Bangladesh. Channel keyword is, you will put keyword related to your topic. Okay, I am going to add to my topic related keyword digital marketing, freelancing, outsourcing, Facebook marketing, Facebook ads campaign, advertising, Instagram marketing, Instagram advertising, website creation. Actually, I will put it later because I need to think about it. So you will put your topic related keyword here. Then advanced settings, you should select audience type. Actually, who is your audience? Who, who is your target audience? No, set this channel as not made for kids. I never upload content that's made for kids. I select this because my content is not for child. And feature section, eligibility, phone, verify the phone. Click on verify phone number. Click on country here and put the phone number and click on get code, and they already sent me code. I am write the code. Then phone number successfully verified. Okay, then advanced feature, increase daily video uploads and live stream and eligibility apply. If you want to get more access, you should verify advanced feature. Click on this button and follow the step-by-step process to verify advanced feature. I will do it later, so I am going to skip this, and I am set up the everything in settings, so I click on save. Then everything is set up. After set up the settings, then branding, you will upload your logo and banner here and video watermark. So I am going to upload my image here. I will upload this later. You will add when you finish the logo and banner. You can get help from Canva to design logo and banner. Okay, then click on basic info, channel name, handle. Now I am going to put my handle name. This handle is not available, that's why I am going to add something with my name. So this is available. Then I am going to put my description. I have already write the description. I just copy and paste the description. I will put my Gmail in email area. Then when you put everything, then click on publish. After click on publishing, everything will be set up. Now my channel creation is completed, so I think this video helped you. If you get help from this video, please subscribe to my channel and turn on notification button. Thank you for watching the full video.